Hello students, welcome to 7th Maths class. In our today's session, we are going to start chapter number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them. So first we will see what is meant by algebraic expression. In maths, algebraic expression is an expression built up with integer constant, variables and algebraic operations on them. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 1. So here this is called algebraic expression. It contains operations, subtraction, addition. Also it contains constants like 1 and also it contains variable like x and y. So variables means they are letters which represents changing things. That's why their name is variable. They indicates changing numbers, and such expression is called algebraic expression. Consider second example, 2x plus 2y. This is also called algebraic expression as it contains the constant with variable, also here constant with variable and addition operation between them. Next important thing about algebraic expressions is term. What is meaning of term? An expression in which multiplication is only operation is called term. An algebraic expression may have one or more terms. For example, consider this algebraic expression 4x square minus 2y plus 5 by 6 xy. In this there are 4 terms. See, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term and this is fourth term. Here if you will see 4, nothing is there. Nothing is there means multiplication is there. Multiplication is not shown by any symbol. So 4 into x square, this means 4 into x square. Here it means 2 into y, 2 into y. Here this means 5 by 6 into x into y. So these are called terms because in between them multiplication operation is there. So it's called term. And algebraic expressions are made up of these one or more terms. Consider second example 5y. Here 5 into y, this means 5 into y. Means here only one term is present. Consider this next example 3mn minus 5m square n. Here 3mn means 3 into m into n. So this is first term and it means 5 into m square into n. So this is second term. So in this algebraic expression there are 2 terms. Next is 3y square minus 4y plus 5. So here 3y square means 3 into y square, 4y means 4 into y and 5 means nothing is there means 5 into 1. So here this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. So in this way algebraic expressions are formed by terms, and that terms are nothing but expression which contains only multiplication operation. Next important thing about algebraic expression is coefficient. The integers associated with variables are called integers. For example, see this example 4x square minus 2y plus 5 by 6 xz in this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? Just see. This is first term, second term and third term. So what is meant by coefficient? Just now we have defined the integer associated with variables. So here consider first term 4x square. So here which integer is there with variable? Variables are letters. Which variable is present here? X. Here y. And here two variables are present, x and z. So in first term, what is the number? 4. So 4 is called coefficient of x square. Here in second term, what is the number? 2. But in front of that minus sign is there. So along with sign we have to take minus 2. So minus 2 is coefficient of second term. And here which number is there? In third term 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is called coefficient in third term. For more clarification, just see these examples. Here some terms are there. We have to identify coefficient and variables in them. First term is 11mn. So here what number is there? 11. So this is called coefficient. Numbers or integers in the terms are called coefficients and letters are called variables. So which letters are present? M and N. So they are called variables. Next example, minus 9x square y cube. So here which number is there? Along with sign we have to take minus 9 will be coefficient and x and y are variables. Don't consider their powers. Just take that letters x and y. Next example, 5 by 6p. So here 5 by 6 is a coefficient and p is variable. Next is a is term, singly a is given. So here coefficient is or any number is not given. Any number is not there means it's multiplied by 1. A, just we can write as a into 1. It means same. Means here coefficient is 1. Whenever any constant number or any integer is not assigned with variable, then there should be 1. So here coefficient is 1 and variable is a. So simply remember that term means multiplication between integers and variables. Algebraic expression may contain one or more terms. Coefficient is the number associated with variables and variables are the letters present in term. Next concept is like terms. Terms which have same variables with same powers are called like terms. Like means similar. So like terms are those terms which contains same variables with same power. For example, here three terms are written: 2x, 5x and minus 2 by 3x. These three different terms are there. So this first term contains variable x and its power is nothing is written means 1 is there. Then here 5x is the second term. Here here variable is x and its power is 1. Here also in third term minus 2 by 3x, x is variable and its power is 1. So here same variables, variable is x and its index is also 1. That's why these are called like terms. Next is 5 minus 5x square y and second term is 6 by 7 yx square. So we have to check two conditions. Variable should be same and power should be same. So which variables are present here? X and y. Here x and y. So variables are same. Now we will check for index. Here index of x is 2. Here also index of x is 2. Here index of y is 1 and here also index of y is 1. So these are called like terms. On the opposite hand, unlike term means which doesn't contains same variables with same power. For example, 7xy, 9y square and minus 2xyz. If you will see here variables are xy, here only y, and here xyz, means here variables are not same. So these are unlike terms. Next is 8mn, 8m square n square and 8m cube n. Here variables are mn, here also mn, here also mn, means here variables are same. Now we will go for indices. Index of m is 1, here is 2 and here is 3. Here index of n is 1, n is 2 and n is 1, means indices are not same. Though variables are same, indices are not same. So this is also unlike term. So based on today's session, this some extra questions I am giving that you have to solve in your notebook. For these 5 terms, you have to find coefficient and variables. Second question is, state whether following terms are like or not. So these 4 questions, out of this, which one are like and which are not like or unlike, that you have to solve in your notebook.